Mom, I'm super hungry today, so I really can't wait to eat dinner right now.
Emma, dear, please go wash your hands properly with soap before you touch any food.
Oh, Mom, my hands look completely clean to me, so I don't need to wash them.
See, look at my hands. They are totally fine and ready for this delicious bread.
Germs are invisible, sweetie, and skipping soap can make you or others very sick.
I feel completely fine, Mom, so those tiny germs definitely cannot hurt me at all. Pass the salad, please, Emma, and I want to eat some fresh vegetables with my pasta. Bye, Mom. I am running to school now because Leo and I are early today.
Achoo! Oh dear, my nose feels so itchy and strange all of a sudden this morning.
Bless you, Leo. Are you feeling okay, or do you need a tissue right now?
I feel a bit sleepy and cold, but I think I can still stay in class.
Good morning, students. Today, we are going to learn about how viruses spread around us.
Miss Carter, my head hurts a lot, and I feel very warm right now today.
Let me check your temperature, Leo. But you seem to have a slight fever right now. Emma, please stay in class while I take Leo to the nurse's room for resting.
I wonder if Leo got sick, because we shared food at dinner yesterday without washing.
I hope Leo feels better soon then. And I should ask Mom about how germs really work. Welcome home, Emma. I am feeling a bit sick today, so I am resting here.
Oh no, Mom. Are you sick too, just like Leo was at school this morning?
Yes, dear. My throat hurts a bit. But don't worry. Rest will help me recover.
Mom, is it my fault that you and Leo are sick because I skipped washing?
Don't cry, sweetie. Germs move easily on hands, but we can learn to stop them. Hello, everyone. I brought a helpful diagram to show Emma how soap removes harmful germs.
Germs hide on our skin,
but soap breaks them down, and so water washes them away.
Wow, so soap acts like a shield that destroys the dirty germs on my hands.
That is right, Emma. Washing with soap keeps our hands clean and protects our family.
I understand now. From today on, I will wash my hands correctly every single time.
First step, put enough soap on my hands to make lots of fluffy white bubbles. Now I rub my palms together and scrub between all my fingers like this carefully. Don't forget the backs of my hands and under my nails where sneaky germs hide. Singing the hand-washing song for 20 seconds ensures all the bad germs disappear completely. Look at all the foam going down the drain, taking every single germ away.
Finally, I dry my hands with a fresh, clean towel so they stay completely germ-free.
Look, Mom. My hands are totally clean and sanitized now. Smell the fresh soap scent.
I am so proud of you, Emma. And you learned a very important lesson about health today.
Hey, Emma. The doctor gave me medicine, and I feel so much better now today.
All right, Captain Emma. I will wash my hands properly right away before we play together.
I am officially the hand-washing leader of this house, so everybody follow my rules.
This chart shows everyone the 5 easy steps to wash hands correctly every single day. Make sure to rub your thumbs and wrists too, Leo, so no germs are left behind.
Wow, making soap bubbles is actually really fun when we do it together like this.
One, two, three. Let's all wash our hands together before enjoying our tasty dinner.
Now our hands are spotless and safe, so we can eat our delicious meal peacefully. Emma, for teaching your friends and family about hygiene, you earn the Clean Hands Award.
Thank you, Miss Carter. I want to help everyone stay healthy and germ-free every day. time is coming up, Leo. So let's pause our game and wash our hands first.
Great job, my clean hands leaders. And here are some juicy apples for your sweet afternoon snack.
Washing hands with soap keeps our family healthy, happy, and strong forever, every single day. Always remember to wash your hands with soap before you eat, everyone. Bye-bye.